Hi there, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and today's video is going to be my fall planning 2025. We're going to talk about my theme. We're also going to talk about my aesthetic and actually what's behind it. We're going to talk about fun activities that I have planned for the autumn season and so much more. So friends, grab yourself just like I have here. This is a pumpkin spice coffee to really get me in the mood here. Actually, it doesn't really take much of anything to get me in the mood for the fall season. But, you know, just to set the tone, because we're going to have a lot of fun today. And I'm going to help you when it comes to planning your fall, or actually if it's any specific time of year, what I do and how it makes it so much fun just doing all the background work and then having it come to fruition when you have it all done for the season. I have so much fun decorating. I know that you love watching the decorating videos just like I do, but I want to show you a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes on how I plan everything. And if it's something that you want to do, I want to help you to give you some tips and tricks and ideas on how you can make it the most festive, most lovely, memorable, coziest season ever. I don't know about you friends, but I feel like there's something about the fall season. It's like a new fresh start and you're wrapped up all in a little cozy sweater. That's how I feel. So I'm going to share with you everything, the behind the scenes of how I plan for each of the seasons, but especially now that we're going to be entering, believe it or not, the autumn season. And I know you all like to hear what theme I have and just some ideas of what I'm going to use. And I think this is always so fun to watch. I love, like I said, watching other people's videos to get some ideas, but I haven't really seen any out yet. Matter of fact, none. So I'm really excited to be able to bring this to you. And hopefully, if you're not quite ready for it yet, that's okay. Just hit the save button or heart button or save it for later. So now, friends, are you a team decorate for fall early, or are you team wait for September? You have to let us know. So team decorate early for fall, or team wait till September. Let's talk about this year's inspiration. Okay, so I feel like, and I know this has been out there for such a long time, and I just think it's becoming such more of a comfort of living, simple life living, coziness. And it's always been how I've always felt about decorating and I wanting my home to be. So this year I am choosing to give my house that vibe of the movie, one of my absolute favorites, You've Got Mail. There's something about the autumn season and just how cozy it is. And I love her bookstore. If I can own one just like that, I would love that. That would be a dream for me. So my entire theme is going to be based on the movie You've Got Mail for the autumn season. So first we're going to talk about my inspiration. And as you can see, as the page flipped over, there are some pictures, and actually maybe I'll post it right here for all of you. So as I'm talking about it, you can refer to it. So first of all, look at those bookshelves. That is the 100% aesthetic that I want in my home office. My home office, when you walk in our front door, is right off to the right, and you can see it as soon as you walk in. So I wanted to give it that cozy, You've Got Mail kind of bookstore vibe. And this, oh my goodness, I love the way these bookshelves look. So that is going to be my inspiration for parts of my office. There's also, I want some cozy throws and a cozy pillow because I do have a seating area. So I want it to be like your cozy little nook when you're cuddling with a cup of pumpkin spice coffee and have some candles lit, and I do have a TV in there and have a beautiful fall scenery with some music on the background. That is going to be my favorite spot for the autumn season. Matter of fact, my daughter Morgan, she was here last week and she said, Mom, I would just have my coffee every morning and just cuddle up on this chair. I said, that's exactly what I do. I love it so much. So my inspiration for that room, Also, we're going to slide now with some of that inspiration into my family room. You see a basket of books and blankets. That again is my vibe, what I want to do here in the family room with the cozy throws and also the pillows. And speaking of that, I wanted to share with you, I love, and they're so more cost efficient going this route than buying sometimes new pillows for every season, is I really like to get pillow covers. These are what I used last year. I plan on using them again this year here in the family room. They are so, so pretty. So get yourself an array of pillow covers because, again, if you have the insert, all you need to do is just change out the covers throughout the season, which is so easy. And again, I feel more cost efficient. Also, let's go ahead and we want to make the cozy vibe with cozy lighting. I'm going to insert some cozy lighting that I have here in the house with flameless candles and also with the lamps that are rechargeable. I mean, that aesthetic, friends, is just what makes everything feel so welcoming. I am a girl that does not like overhead light. You won't really ever find it on in my house. Even in my kitchen, the bulbs that we have in our overhead lighting are so minimal and it's cozy. But most of the time I've got my under counter lighting on and my little lamps, never overhead lighting anywhere else. Now in the dining area when we are entertaining, I will have that on, but I do have it dimmed. That's how I love the coziness of lamps and flameless candles. Also, the one thing you do want to have on hand, I'm going to suggest, because this is what I have, is a lot of candlestick holders. And I shared this one in a recent vlog. This one is from Hearth and Hand. And I have candlestick holders all throughout my house. So my vibe is, again, continuing with all those. Also adding some pillar candles and just an array of real candles, along with flameless candles. So that is the aesthetic that I'm going to continue to go with actually throughout my home. And as I shared baskets, I got this one from Michael's. I like how it's cut out, so whatever I'm putting in here, you'll still be able to see from the side, not just from the top. So definitely an array of baskets. If you're just trying to figure out, what pieces do I start with, Karen? Baskets, candles, candle holders, pillow covers, trays, friends. Another thing I'm going to have, and you'll see, is my inspiration here for my coffee table. I love this with the lanterns and the pumpkins and the pine cones. I did put quite a few pictures here, so I'm going to probably do some kind of a variety of that. And oh my gosh, I just love that whole look. And bedding, of course, that's going to be a whole other video. I'm hoping to be able to do some kind of fallish, cozy theme in our bedroom. So now let's talk mood. I want it to be very bookstore-ishy with cozy seating areas. I love all those beautiful colors, but also this year I did mention, I think in my Hobby Lobby video, that I'm going to be adding some jewel tone colors to my home. And I think the jewel tones just add a little bit more of an elevated look. And I just think they are just so beautiful. So I want to show you those again if you did not watch my Hobby Lobby video. So the colors of like this amethyst purple. And oh my gosh, this is such a gorgeous shade. Of course, I have it on today. As you can notice, this is probably one of my favorite colors. And then we got this beautiful sapphire blue. So my goal is to add these rich textures and colors, lots of velvet, Sherpa into my home, and plush. Oh my gosh, I'm just really excited to bring all that. And I also talked about in that Hobby Lobby video, I think I showed you all, is bringing some of this beautiful shade of blue into it along with, and I still have these, with these gorgeous faux florals. Look at these colors, friends. Do they not say to you, cozy, warmth, the fall season, and along with some lovely books and like acorns and stuff like that, just to give it that cozy vibe. So I'm really looking forward to just digging in and starting to decorate with all of that. And the other things I have here for mood is, of course, the candle holders and the candles, and lots of books and pumpkins everywhere for sure. Now, I also wanted to share with you something that I picked up. And listen, save all your coupons for the stores like Michael's. And of course, there's always sales at Michael's too, but there's also coupons. So I did show this in the video when we were filming over at Michael's. And I went back and got it. Oh my goodness. Here it is. Look at this beauty. Okay. She is a beauty. What I'm going to do with this, I'm not sure where I'm putting it yet, but the one thing about wall art, my friends, is as I like to stack it, so that's going to be another kind of an idea. I like to put a print and then have a smaller print along the side somewhere with it, because that is such a beautiful look. Again, the coziness. Now, as far as decorating to get that cozy vibe, you do not have to be a maximalist and have just so much out. You can be a minimalist and just have a little bit, but also create those little nooks and crannies within your home that just give you that warm vibe of the autumn season. Hey, come on in, put your feet up, relax for a while, have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee with me, and let's just chit chat and have some time spent together, which is so important. I love that more than anything. So it doesn't have to be just overboard. And a lot of times, I like to create a little more just to give you more ideas. But at the same time, too, I feel like the older I get, the less I want to put out. But I still want to put out a lot of beautiful fall decor, because that is my absolute favorite time, and Christmas. So yeah, I do go maybe a little bit over for those two. But when it comes to decorating throughout the year, I'm very much a minimalist. But this is when I really tend to just enjoy myself and just go a little bit more crazy. Next, I want to talk about the things that I'm planning this autumn season that I really cannot wait to share with all of you. And believe it or not, I was talking to our daughter, Allie, the other day, and I'm like, Allie, this is going to be our actual 5th annual harvest party. Friends, I love planning my harvest party. I love cooking for it. I love having friends and family over for it. I love going to the corn maze. It's always a crisp, cool fall evening. It's so festive. It's so much fun. So this is my 5th annual, and you better believe I'm going to make it a big one. So as you can see, that's my invitation that I send out to everybody. I cannot wait. I am so excited about that. So I will be filming the 5th annual harvest party. Also going to the pumpkin patch. Love doing that. It doesn't matter how old you are. It's just so fun to be a little kid again. And now we're taking the grandbabies. And just seeing their excitement to be on the hay rides and to see all the pumpkins is just so fun, and it just really warms my heart. I'm going to go sunflower picking. I love doing that at one of our local farmers market nurseries, and so that's another thing I plan on doing. And then our White House Farms has their harvest event weekends, and I plan on bringing you along to all that as well. So it's just going to be such a fun-filled autumn. I just love bringing you to all these activities during my favorite time of the year. Also, I like to share with you movies that I do love to watch over and over and over again, especially during the autumn season. Of course, You've Got Mail, Hocus Pocus 1 and 2, Practical Magic. What else do I like to watch? The Gilmore Girls. I love that series. I just love it. And so I always restart that from the beginning, and we'll just see how far I get. But I just like to have it on for a background. That's one of my favorite. What else did I write here? Oh, When Harry Met Sally. Love that one too. So those are some of my absolute favorite fall movies to have on. It just gives me that cozy, fun fall festiveness of the autumn season when I put those movies on. Do you have any specific ones that you guys like? Let me know in the comment section. If you can be in one specific fall scene from one of your favorite movies, let me know what scene that would be. I cannot wait to hear. And mine is, I think I shared before, being in the bookstore of the movie You've Got Mail. Absolutely love that during the autumn season. I also can't wait to make lots of cozy, festive drinks and foods and bring that to all of you on my videos, to cook some soups, hearty soups, and whip up some delicious pumpkin-y recipes, desserts, and drinks What is your favorite autumn drink? Let me know. I'm curious to hear. And I know, like I said, our Enhance the Season family just loves when you share ideas in the comment section. So again, share, what is your favorite autumn drink? Well, friends, I sure hope that I was able to give you a little bit of inspiration and some ideas for just picking a theme or just having fun with it this autumn season. I'm just really excited about the fact that I actually pinpointed like a movie to be my inspiration for decorating this year. So if this is something you've never done, or maybe you've done before, or something you plan on doing, let me know too in the comment section what movie is that you're gonna try to replicate to have that cozy factor. Or maybe you want something a little bit different. You want it to be all, you know, kind of Halloweenish decor. I'm not sure, whatever it is, I'm sure it's going to be just beautiful. But make sure you let us know in the comment section. I cannot wait to hear. So just stay tuned, friends. I think towards the end of August, I'm going to be having my Decorate With Me videos coming out. I did ask you all, and you said you wanted a mixture of Decorate With Me and a mixture of some that are done. And I'm going to show you what my inspiration, which you already know, but a little more in detail behind those things. So you're going to see a lot of both. And I can't wait to get started yet. It's just the beginning of August. I am enjoying the summer season, better believe it. We're actually having fallish like weather right now here in Ohio, and for the next week, I am so excited about it because that humidity has been just horrible in the high heat. We're gonna finally get to be outside on our patio enjoying the summer season, and I just can't wait. So, but in the meantime, my wheels are still spinning to make this just another fun, festive, cozy fall season here in my home. And then again, I will be extending out to my front porch and my patio. Those will also be videos. So much in store for you, my friends. If you love this kind of content, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I want you to be a part of our Enhance the Seasons family. Follow me over on Instagram because I'll be posting a lot over there too. And I hope you all stay well and stay safe, friends. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.